All right, friends, so right now we're looking at level 2, DIY number 3. I'm going to say that again, level 2, DIY number 3 shape sort. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is you actually have to fix a goof that's on here, okay? It says 4 sides, 3 sides, and 1 side. That right there you need to fix. It should not say 1 side, it should say 0 sides. Or if you want to put no sides. So get rid of that 1 and put a 0 or put the word no for no sides. Okay? On the back of this paper you will find stapled another piece of paper. Okay? Now it may look like a half sheet like this, or it may look like 2 of these sheets on top of each other. Okay? Either way works. Cut out all the shapes that you see, whether it's a half sheet or there's a whole nother sheet on the top. Cut out all those shapes that you see. Once you've got your shapes cut out, so of course you're going to need a pair of scissors for this activity. You're also going to need a glue stick for this activity. So if you don't have your glue stick right now, go get your glue stick. And we're going to sort these shapes by their sides. Okay, so let's check out this guy. This guy's a circle. I don't see any straight lines. I don't see any corners. So he doesn't have 4 sides. He doesn't have 3 sides. He has no sides or 0 sides. So I'll put him over there. Now let's check out this shape. This guy's a trapezoid. Let me show you how to count his sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. So he's going to go over there. Then let's say I came across this shape. Let's count his sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 sides. And then you would continue to cut out and sort all of your shapes, gluing them in the correct column. But don't forget to fix this part. It's going to be the first thing you need to do. You can fix it with your pencil. You don't need to come find a black marker or anything. Switch this one to where it says 0 or no sides. All right, so that was Shape Sort Level 2 DIY number 3.